showing you guys how to make this red velvet cheesecake, which everybody is gonna be so surprised when you slice into it and they see that beautiful color inside. It is just so delicious. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below because I post quick and easy recipes and they always have a unique twist to them. And be sure to click the bell because I post every other day. Now let's get started. Starting off with the crust for the cheesecake, I have here a package of chocolate sandwich cookies, which I'm putting into my food processor along with a 1/4 cup of almond flour and a 1/2 cup of melted butter. I'm going to pulse this until it becomes all crumbly. You can also smash this in a Ziploc bag if you like. This crust is so delicious and crispy with the addition of those ground almonds. Now once it's all blended together, this is what it should look like. I'm then going to transfer this into an 8-inch cake pan. If it's not a springform pan, be sure to line your cake circle with parchment paper on the bottom. I'm then going to take a cup and press all of those cookie crumbles along the bottom firmly and against the walls of the pan. To make the cheesecake filling, I'm adding 2 eggs straight into the food processor, along with 1 cup of ricotta cheese and a 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm then going to be adding 3 ounces of melted dark chocolate, and of course, those 2 8-ounce bars of softened room temperature cream cheese. Lastly, what's going in is a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and to give this red velvet cheesecake its beautiful color, I have a tablespoon of rose food coloring. I'm then gonna blend everything together well, and look at that beautiful color. This could always be done by hand, and don't forget that the recipe is always listed down below in the description box. Be sure to scrape the sides down at least once, and then add all of this delicious mixture into your pan, which has been lined with that delicious cookie crust, and I'm gonna bake this in a preheated oven of 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. Once this is done, let it cool for about 30 minutes before storing it into the refrigerator, and allow this to chill for a few hours, if not overnight. Transfer this to your serving dish and give it a nice dusting on top of some cocoa powder if you like. This red velvet cheesecake is finally done. This is a very rich and decadent cake. It's perfect for a surprise dessert, and once you try just one bite, you'll just fall in love with this slightly chocolatey, creamy taste. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to leave a comment down below what you thought about this red velvet cheesecake. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on my quick and easy recipes, which I post every other day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.